Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and welcome to one of my favorite videos of the month, the SheetLoad Showcase. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month on the 15th, I like to stop by and share a look with you at what my team has created using the latest SheetLoad of cards. Now you may have already seen these if you've already hopped along to everyone's video. I'm hoping that after you see these cards today, if you haven't yet done that, you'll be inspired to do so. To see what everybody created using the March 2026 printable, check out the description box below for a link to the playlist. You can also check out the end card that I have at the end of the video. That is your one-stop shop for all of this month's creations. I know that everybody would love for you to stop by, see what they created, and leave them some love. That means leave them a little comment, smash that like button, share with a crafty friend, and subscribe if you're not already. If you don't yet have the free March 2026 card making printable, make sure to check out the debut video, which is linked in the description box below. And also down there is a link to my process video where I show you how I made my first set of cards this month and gave you lots of great tips along the way. Now, if you want to show us your SheetLoad, there are some different ways you can share online, and please use the hashtags at the top of the printable. I also have a Facebook group with designated albums, or you can send in a card for the end of the month video. I have a video linked, guess where, down in that description box that gives you all of the instructions on how to do that. Before I share a look at their cards, I do want to invite you, if you did not see my guest appearance on Craft Roulette this past Friday night, I hope you'll go check out the replay. I will have a card in the upper right-hand corner now, and I'll link it in the description box below. I had a great time helping Mary and Steven celebrate 6 years of Craft Roulette. And if you're watching this video on the day it comes out on the 15th, you do have a few more hours to play along and be entered to win some awesome prizes. Now let's go ahead and take a look at everybody's cards. Up first today is Chelsea of the Creative Chelsea channel, and she has made a set of 8 cards that will definitely make you smile. I love those soft papers and the vellum art she used for her focal points. Ashley from Mint Twist Cards made a SheetLoad of birthday cards once again this month. I love those fun focal points and the different combinations of pattern papers she paired together. Reagan of the Uniquely Reagan YouTube channel created a set of cowgirl birthday cards this month. I just love the theme and the variety of focal points. Justine of the Stationery by Justine YouTube channel used the March 2026 SheetLoad to make 8 cards that are completely different from each other. This just shows you if you like to mass produce, they can all look the same, or you can use that same base and get completely different cards. Yvette of the Yvette Olea Creates channel made a SheetLoad of birthday cards this month. I love the springy feel to these and how she has changed the shape of the focal point and added a shadow to it. Beck Ann, who shares over on the Beck and Sam Crafting Fun YouTube channel, made a set of 8 beautiful cards this month. I love all the sparkle and shine on both her pattern paper and the focal points. Letty of Party Planner Papery made a SheetLoad of turtly awesome cards this month. I just love that cute focal point, and make sure to check out her video to find out how she made the most of her 6x8 pattern paper. Toby, who shares over on the Bitty Penny YouTube channel, altered this month's sketch to make a gorgeous set of 5x7 cards. I love all of the added details she has and those beautiful focal points. Lauren of the Lauren Taylor Made channel created a SheetLoad of St. Patrick's Day cards this month. I love how she has made her focal point that fun die-cut sentiment, and anybody would be lucky to receive one of these. Up next is Tracy from the Not Afraid of Color YouTube channel, and her beautiful set of spring cards are featured in this month's thumbnail. I love the soft colors, the embossed background, and those scenes she has created for her focal points. Beth from Bourbon Creek Crafts made a set of gorgeous birthday cards using the March 2026 sheet load. I'm loving the papers, the focal points, and the shabby chic feel to her set this month. And last but certainly not least this month is this beautiful floral set from Carmen of the Choose Joy with Carmen YouTube channel. I'm loving the big bold floral focal points and how she has rotated the sketch for her set. Is this one of your favorite videos each month too? If it is, make sure to smash that like button and now go visit anybody's videos that you would like more information on the cards with either the links in the description box below or the end card here in just a minute. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.